Hey scholars, welcome to the problem of the day. All right, here comes Miss Vanderpool's problem. There was a baker and he had 12 loaves of bread. He could only put 2 loaves of bread in each box, and he's wondering how many boxes is he going to need for these loaves of bread. When we're working through this problem, we're going to use our little buttons as our tools today. So I heard that the baker had 12 loaves of bread. So I'm going to start by getting out 12 of my buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to put the rest of them away so I don't get confused and I don't get tricked. Now, here's my 12 loaves of bread. It says that you can only put 2 loaves in each box. So I'm going to start by making little groups of 2. So here's one box that will have 2 loaves in it. Here's another box that will have 2 loaves in it. Here's a box that has 2 loaves in it. There's 2 loaves in that box, 2 loaves in that box, and 2 loaves in this box. I don't have any more loaves of bread to put in boxes. And then he was wondering how many boxes is he going to need. So we ended up making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes with 2 loaves of bread in each box. When I'm representing this on my board, get my marker. So I started out by getting 12 little buttons to represent my 12 loaves of bread. So I'm going to draw them out just how I did them. So I put out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oops, I can't see it, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I started by getting out my 12 pieces. Those are my 12 loaves of bread. Then I knew that he could only put 2 loaves in each box. I'm going to put, I'll make it a different color so we can see it. I'm going to put a square around each group of 2. So here's box 1. Here is box 2. Here is box 3. Here's box 4. Here's box 5. And here's box 6. When I'm writing my number sentence, I started with my 12 loaves of bread. So I'm going to put out 12. I'm going to write a 12 for my 12 loaves of bread. Then I had them all in the middle, and I took 2 away each time to put them in a box. So I have my 12, and I put 2 over here. So I'm going to take away 2. Then I put 2 in this box. So I'm going to take those away from my 12. Oops, I want to write a 2. Then I took these 2 away from my 12. Then I took these 2 away from my 12. Then I took these 2 away from my 12. And then I took these 2 away from my 12. And that left me with 0 loaves that weren't in a box. So my number sentence is the 12 loaves that I had, take away 2, 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 and take away 2. So I started with my 12 and I took 2 away each time till I eventually had no more loaves of bread to go in my boxes. Here's your problem. I have 18 books that need to go on shelves. I can only put 6 books on each shelf, and I'm wondering how many shelves am I going to have to use? Listen again. I have 18 books that need to go on shelves. I can only put 6 books on each shelf, and I'm wondering how many shelves am I going to have to use? Use your tools to figure it out, and then make sure you do your representation. After you've done your representation, take a picture of it and upload it to your Class Dojo account so that you can earn credit and get a shout out tomorrow.